Hey everyone, I'm here to share some important tips and preventive measures to avoid toenail fungus. Let's dive right in. First off, keep your feet clean and dry. Moist environment create the perfect area for fungi to grow. Make sure to thoroughly dry your feet, especially between the toes, after bathing or swimming. Wear breathable shoes and socks to keep your feet dry. Use antifungal powder or spray on your feet and inside your shoes to help prevent fungi growth. Keep your toenails trimmed and clean. Don't share nail clippers or files. Keep one nail clipper for healthy nail and one nail clipper for infected nail. Maintain good foot hygiene, especially in public areas like gyms and swimming pool. Always wear protective footwear in these environments. And lastly, the longer your toenail is infected with fungus, the more harder it will take to treat it. By following these simple tips, you can keep your feet healthy and fungus free. Take care, everyone.